everyone, it's Beth from Sweetheart. So today I'm going to be showing you two gorgeous styles that look like braids, but actually they're not braiding, so it's way easier. So the first style that I'm going to show you is you're going to take a section from the crown, just a small section, and then you're going to grab a tiny piece of hair to the right of that, and then you're going to connect that first section and the little piece of hair with an elastic and then just tease that up with your fingers. You're then going to come to the right hand side, swoop that over, grab a tiny piece of hair from the left, connect those two together with an elastic, and then once you've done that, holding onto the elastic, you're going to tease that out again. So do the same again, left hand side, bringing it across, small section of hair, securing with an elastic. And can you see how I'm covering the prior elastic with that hair? So you're just going to keep doing that all the way down. So left and right until you get to the nape of the neck. And then you're going to do that last one there. And then you're going to just continue that technique down just with that sort of ponytail. So taking a piece from the right, from the left, trying to make sure that each piece covers the elastic before it. Keep teasing it out until you get to the end, and then you'll see in a moment just how cute this style actually looks. Do any teasing out that you want to do. There's a lovely Adele showing you all the way around the back, around the sides. It's such a beautiful braid. And then we're moving on to style number 2, which is equally gorgeous. So I want you to start off by doing a zigzag parting all through the crown right to the nape of the neck. So I'm going to show you on this side. So it's just a comb, zigzagging in and out. So you're creating a zigzag part line like so. And then just using a little bit of volume powder or volume dust here just to help with pulling this style out because we want to go big today. Then you're going to come to the front and you're just going to take a small section of hair and place in a little elastic. Then hold on to that elastic and just use your fingers to create some volume, so just pulling away from the other hand. You're then going to take a section from the left, a section from the right, and again, put an elastic in, hold on to that elastic and tease out. And this is all going to depend on how big you want this hair to be. We're going big today with Adele. Her face and everything just looks amazing with this style. So it all just depends on what you like. So I'm repeating this now. I'm taking a strand from the left, a strand from the right, and I'm just placing those two strands together, tying it off with an elastic, holding onto that elastic and then teasing against that other hand. So don't just pull, always hold on with the other hand as you're pulling so it doesn't get like messed up. And you can see from this side profile now just how much volume that you can create doing this technique. So I'm just going to continue all the way down until I run out of hair. Just really, I'm pulling to the side and I'm pulling up as well to create that depth. I'm then going to pin this hair out of the way and we're going to come to the side sections. So I've just rubbed a little bit of like a soft wax on my fingers here, but you could use a gel, a hairspray, and then taking my comb and really dragging that hair and making real good tension as I pull to the sides. So you're going to bring two sides together, tie an elastic in there, really working hard to keep that tension. And then you're going to braid this part of the hair. So same technique, a little piece from the left, a little piece from the right, join together with an elastic, hold on with one hand, and then teasing. But this time round, I'm kind of going for width rather than too much depth. So I want it to be nice and wide as it goes down the back. So I'm really pulling out those side sections and not pulling too much in the center. And I'm just going to repeat this technique all the way to the bottom. Adele's got a lot of hair, so it looks great on her, but I've done this with shorter hair too. As you can see, I'm just getting that nice bit of width there. And then we are taking the other ponytail down, and I want you to repeat that same process. So little strand from right, little strand from left, holding on and teasing out with your fingers like so. So I'm just kind of pulling those side bits out. I'm going to continue to do that technique all the way down. I am kind of pulling the center again now because I want a little bit of height to this style as well. So not just the width of it, the height too. And then right at the bottom, I'm just going to loop that top piece underneath there. So I just kind of pulled it through. And then I'm just going to do a couple of curls at the bottom like so. And then this is Adele looking amazing. Let me know what you think of this style. I absolutely love it. Let me know in the comments, guys.